Hey, hello once again from the beach here in beautiful Las Terrenas. I'm Steve and Hattie with GoDominicanLife.com. Another gorgeous day here today. Let me hide under my glasses. So we're going to show you an absolutely spectacular property today. It was built in 2018. It still looks brand new. The only thing, it's even better because the vegetation now has all grown. Wonderful tropical garden around this villa. 3-bedroom main villa with 3.5 bathrooms and an independent bungalow outside. 2 bedrooms sharing 1 bathroom. Big, beautiful swimming pool. Only a few minutes walk to beautiful Las Ballenas beach. It's absolutely spectacular. Let's go have a look at it. So as you see, there was a lot to enjoy here. Beautiful property, and would love to show it to you in person. So don't hesitate to reach out. It's always our pleasure. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. We're here to help you.